This often happens to me. I feel like I know the level, and I'm not worried about it anymore, and so I stop being careful, and suddenly even the stuff I already know becomes super dangerous and effective at knocking me off. Didn't make any of these silly deaths the first time through, because I was still being slow and careful because I didn't know what was in front of me. Sure thing, Nodi. That's perfectly fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to the left. Some other ones at different timing. That's okay, Mayako. Thank you for visiting today. You have a good night. Almost did it again, but I got it. Bye. I didn't switch state. Given that I've been at this for almost 15 minutes, I have a feeling I'm going to use this second key I don't think I'm supposed to have. Just cheese that big room full of things that killed me. Key door was on this side, right? Yes. Okay, I've already got a key. Might as well collect a power up. And otherwise just go straight to the key door. There is indeed more level and no checkpoint. But there's the flag. I must need this P-switch for something. There's a P door, which gets me to the other side of the hard blocks. Curious.